Hi guys, the main and most common malfunction of the Mercedes gearbox is the wear of the side bearing. The most malfunction of more often observed in a mileage of 100,000 kilometers, although it can occur to a lower mileage. It depends primarily to the manner of the operating and the frequency to maintenance of the gearbox. A low oil level in the gearbox, the use of low quality oil, leads to over of the bearing. It characterizes a Hammond howl of the gear appears. Low oil level accuse overheating of the gearbox bearing, which in turn leads to accelerated deterioration. The second reason of the ham hole the gearbox is the wear and the particle disturb of the gear teeth of the main gear pair. In this case, extraneous hum, knocking, booming, blow with periodicity from the Mercedes gearbox will manifest itself at any vehicle speed, both during acceleration and when the vehicle is coasting. In some cases, due to lack of oil, the gearbox burn out. Metal shaving or observed in the gearbox housing and tracks of where is the gear element are visible. In such case, just replace the bearing in the enough. It's necessary to completely change the gearbox.